Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has been granted a no objection certificate by a Delhi court today for issuance of a fresh ordinary passport to him. This was opposed to his request for a 10-year period. We are with Advocate Satya Sabharwal, who had appeared for BJP Leader Subramanian Swamy. Sir, Mr. Swamy had opposed a request for 10-year period NOC and had said that for maximum one period an NOC can be granted to Mr. Rahul Gandhi. The court has partially allowed Rahul Gandhi's plea. How do you see this order?
Court has partly allowed it, and the court has directed that only for 3 years NOC may be given. Seeing the stage of the case where we are at right now, we are at the cross-examination stage. Court thought it is appropriate for giving it for 10 years. We welcome the order of the Honorable Court, and they have disallowed for 10 years. So we welcome it, and it's a very balanced order. I can go on in detail once I read the order and in what detail the court has, what reason they have given. Then we can go in detail. But we welcome the order, and it's for 3 years. There are other matters that we had mentioned before this Honorable Court, that there was a external affairs, home affairs complaint which was filed against him on the citizenship, and that was pending with the Home Ministry, and which he has not replied till now. To that also, we couldn't find any appropriate answer by the other side. So, keeping all this in mind, the court has balanced it out at 3 years. So, we welcome the order of the Honorable Court.
So, can you tell us on what grounds was the 10-period duration opposed by Mr. Swamy?
There were various grounds. One was that these crimes are heinous crimes. They are crimes of corruption. They are charges of corruption. They're 420, 120B, 409, 403. And all these are very serious crimes. In fact, their imprisonment of 7 years. And if 409 is also infaming of judges, then it is an imprisonment of lifetime in that. So, considering all of that, we had argued and we thought that 10 years is not appropriate for Mr. Gandhi. And we had also mentioned in our written submissions that though it is a fundamental right, but it is subject to reasonable restrictions. It is subject to reasonable restriction of public order, morality, and prevention of crime, it's a crime against the society. So all these were taken up. There were multiple judgments which was also quoted in the judgments cited in the court. So considering all of that, court has deemed it appropriate for 3 years. We welcome it.
Thank you for speaking to us, sir. That was Advocate Satya Sabharwal. As we know, Rahul Gandhi has now been granted a permission for 3 year, a 3-year NOC, so that he can apply for a fresh ordinary passport. This is after he was disqualified recently as a Lok Sabha MP pursuant to his conviction in a defamation case. With camera person Ashwini, this is Srishti, Ojha, India Today.